Hello YouTube, welcome back to the HD spot. Today is June 20th, it's a Thursday, and do not mind the background or the backdrop because I do not have a backdrop. I just found the quietest room in the house that kind of holds all the audio in because I'm talking to my phone right now. Hence why I'm so close to the camera, because I do not want to lose any audio quality, as one of the feedbacks I was given. So yes, back to the video. Today is June 20th. It's actually my birthday today, but I just made this YouTube account and I thought, you know what, why not? Let's stay consistent. Let's get a video out either today or tomorrow. You're probably gonna watch this video tonight, so this video will be out tonight. Alright, so my previous video was regarding the carbon fiber front Honda badge installed from Synth Carbon. We ran into a little issue, if you watched the previous video, regarding the sizes. On their website, they have the two products, front and rear badges, separate for the coupe. So they have a front carbon fiber Honda badge for the sedan and the coupe, and a rear Honda badge for the sedan and the coupe. But for us coupe owners, our front and rear badges are actually the same size. So I emailed them last night. Synth Carbon's customer service is perfect. They got back to me just this morning. They reassured me that they may have made some tweaks on the website to make it more clear for us consumers. So yeah, just a little note, if you're a coupe owner like myself for the 10th gen Civic, and you want to order these carbon fiber badges for your front and your rear, be sure to order ×2 of the front Honda badge on their website. And yes, you probably clicked on this video based off of the title. The carbon fiber door handle covers, also from Synth Carbon. I'm really happy with the quality so far for the badges that I received. Anyways, I started filming the door handle covers this morning. It was warm and sunny. Halfway through, when I finally installed both sides, the weather started playing some games. The clouds came out and I was worried that it was gonna rain, and I did not want to get rained on, so I cut the video short. But do not worry, I think I said that already, don't worry, because I will still show you the results. So without further ado, I don't know where the camera is, I think I've been looking at it. Without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the finished product of the carbon fiber front badge. It looks really nice, it sits flush, no issues there. Here is the side door handle. Going to the product now from Synth Carbon, really nice. Comes with its own adhesive double-sided tape, with the keyless entry option for my car, for that little button. Yeah, and just make sure that you're cleaning off the dust and debris off the handle before you install. Make sure you test fit. Water and a microfiber towel is enough to clean that area. But yeah, just make sure it's cleaned properly before you install anything. And here we are, and I'm going to show you guys the final product. Boom, it looks really nice, really clean. Reflects off that sunlight perfectly, sits really flush. No issues on the right side. However, I did run into some minor things from my left side, but I will tell you more about it when we get to that side. The real issue came not with the carbon fiber, but the adhesive tape that they come with. That little corner piece that I will be pointing on right here, the tape was basically coming off on its own, so I decided to remove that adhesive tape and put my own 3M branded tape to ensure that that piece does not go anywhere while I drive on the highway or get my car washed. But as you can see, it still sits pretty flush. There's a little bit of white that kind of shines through that crack, but not too noticeable from far away. The handle cover itself sits firmly, so no real issues. I'm still happy with the product. I highly recommend it, and I will show you guys some final results. Shoutouts to those that inspired this video. Goes out to Joe from Menace SI Racing and Fong VLG. Both guys got the nastiest SIs I've seen online, and it was actually Fong's video that got me into Synth Carbon, his mirror cap install, which I will be doing soon, so please stay tuned. Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Peace!